In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Google Drive zip files. If you've downloaded a large file from Google Drive and it arrived in several zip parts, don't worry, this is a common way to split big archives into smaller chunks. The pieces usually share the same name with a numbered extension, like zip1, zip2, or sometimes Z01, Z02, and so on. The key idea is simple. We'll select all those parts together, use an extraction tool, and let it automatically merge everything back into the original contents. Start by locating all the downloaded zip parts in the same folder. Keeping every piece in one place prevents missing volume errors and makes the process smooth. Now highlight all the zip parts at once. Selecting them together ensures the extraction tool can see the full sequence. If one part is missing or if the names don't match, the tool can't rebuild the archive properly. So check that the numbering is continuous and the base file name is identical. With all the parts highlighted, right-click on your selection and choose Extract here using a tool like 7zip or WinRAR. You'll usually find this in the context menu. In 7zip, it may appear as 7zip. Then Extract here. In WinRAR, it often shows directly as Extract here. The wording may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. Extract the files into the current folder. This keeps things simple and makes it easy to find your results. These tools are designed to recognize split archives and automatically merge them during extraction. You don't have to open each piece manually. The software reads the first part, follows the sequence, and reconstructs the complete files for you. You'll see a progress window as it works. When it's done, your extracted files will appear either directly in the same folder or inside a new folder named after the archive, depending on the tool's defaults and the way the archive was created. If you encounter an error about a missing volume, it usually means one of the parts didn't finish downloading or the names were changed. Make sure every piece is present, the numbers don't skip, and the file names match exactly. Also, confirm you have enough free disk space for the extraction. Rebuilding a large archive can require space equal to or greater than the combined size of all parts. That's it. Highlight all the zip parts, right-click. Choose Extract here with your preferred tool and let it automatically merge everything. Thanks for watching.